This is my Narakeet text-to-speech Python class. All you need to do to use it is add this file, this Python file, Narakeet TTS.py, and add the text file with your Narakeet API key. Here it is in my usage.
Hello, 1-2 baby.
What you saw in the demo is see, this line initiated the text-to-speech and this line speaks. It's very simple. Not only that, but it uses a special threading technique, which means, as you've seen, that the program continues running while the text-to-speech is speaking. The program does not halt and wait for the text-to-speech to finish. It continues running smoothly, uninterrupted by the text-to-speech. Another advantage of this class is it saves your MP3 files, which means you will be using a lot less tokens. Okay, so when this line of code is running, if it already created a file, instead of using up another token to create another file, it will be using the saved file and thus saving you tokens and saving you money. Your money will go much longer way. Another advantage of Narakeet text-to-speech over 11 labs, for example, is it's cheaper and the payment is a one-time payment. Okay. Now I'm going to show you another feature of changing the voice using the available voices from Narakeet.
Hello, 1-2 baby blah blah blah.
That was the demo. Thank you for watching.